how you can have your first $300 to $500 days in 2026 with ClickBank affiliate marketing. So as you can see over here, right, in the last few days, we have had $3,699, and over here, if I click $7,953 US dollars. Now this is totally new account for new niche in 2026, as you can see over here, right? But what is the most important thing when it comes to ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2026 is actually understanding sophistication level of your audience. Very important. What I mean by that, okay? If I go over here, you can reach out to me later on my Instagram, as you can see over here, right? So you can find me here, my WhatsApp, my email, my Facebook Messenger, all right? So you can connect with me one-on-one over here. Now, if I go straight into it, you can see the most important thing is understanding marketing on a deeper psychological level. So in 2026, you cannot just use any tricks and hacks like it used to be in 2024, 23, or even 25. What works right now is having an offer, hot, proven offer, that's proven to convert, meaning has the great upsell take rate. As you can see over here, imagine you have a coffee shop, right? You can see over here, let's say you come to the coffee shop in Starbucks and you purchase a coffee for $5 US, right? So what they do after you purchase the coffee is they try to upsell you for example, maybe the add-ons, for example, like a pastry, a donuts or something like that. So it's extra $10, extra easy $30 at the end of the purchase in Starbucks, right? So this is how it works on ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2026. Basically, it's all about understanding full stack value of the product that you're promoting, okay? So what is the average order value? Let's say $320 US. So in that case, you, my friend, as an affiliate, you make $300 US profit from spending $20 US on Google pay-per-click ads or Facebook ads, okay? You can see one buyer out of, let's say, 8 people is going to take everything, meaning they will buy $47 upsell, front-end offer, ebook, $29 order bump, another upsell for $97, or maybe even the downsell for $147 US. So you, in that case, you as an affiliate on ClickBank, you make around $300 or $280 affiliate commissions, okay? Very important. So how you can get to $300 a day, let's say on ClickBank as a newbie, as a beginner, even if you have never had a sale online, okay? Without having big budget or fancy funnels, you start with one Google search campaign, daily spend, let's say you start with $20 US and scale to $50 US once you already have proven offer and once you already get commissions in, okay? So once you make, let's say, $250 to $350 US in a day, you can scale to even $100 a day. So you can get to $500, $600, $700 days, okay? With Google pay-per-click ads, we are targeting people who are already searching for a solution. They're already in solution-seeking state. Very important, right? Because you don't need a lot of clicks. All you have to do is having someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step, by hand-holding you, as you can see over here, so you can start having results online. So we do it with my students one-on-one over the Zoom call, set it up in 30 to 40 minutes, Google ad campaign with ClickBank, connect everything, as you can see over here, right, over the Zoom call. Simple, and you can start having results, because all it takes is one offer to set you free in 2026. Now, what you can do next is you can connect with me one-on-one. There's my WhatsApp, Instagram, email, but only if you're serious, if you have 30 minutes per day, and if you're willing to take action now, so you can start having a consistent, sustainable ClickBank affiliate sales every single day in 2026.